Hey guys, guess what? Today is day 23 of Christmas vlogs, and guess what we're doing? Sorry, my camera's dirty. We're doing more computer upgrades because I read everybody's comments and you guys really want to see me put in a better graphics card, and I know I need one, so let's upgrade my computer even more with me. So, funny story that's not so very funny. Yesterday, I bought myself a lot. Oh my gosh, my computer has Windows 11 now, it's weird to look at. I bought myself some games, and I bought Hogwarts Legacy because I have a plan to play that game for you guys and for myself because I really want to play it. And it was on sale, and as soon as I opened it, they were like, you can't play this without a better graphics card. And I was planning on getting a better one. I wasn't planning on getting it 2 days after. But I didn't really have a choice, and you guys were like, you need a new graphics card. And I got some Christmas money, and I got my paycheck. So my dad just went out, and he bought a new graphics card. And we're also going to fix the memory because some of you guys were saying that the memory was in the wrong spots to put it in 2 and 4 from the left instead of 1 and 3. And I really appreciate all the comments. Like, we looked in the, instruction manual after, and it was actually showing that we should have done that, and we didn't look. And we will be a little gentler on the computer this time, less aggressive. Let's actually get into building the computer now. So the first thing I need to do is get this bad boy out of here and onto my kitchen table so we can do the upgrades. So I'm gonna go take it over there with one of my monitors, and I'll show you guys the setup. Okay guys, so I'm in my dining room now, and we've got the beauty that made me semi-famous on the table here. Okay guys, so this is the beauty all opened up. Some of you were asking what graphics card this is. It's the GT 710, but I got it a couple years back when it was a good one, but it wasn't the best one. But there are some things we will be doing on this computer to change it up. And yeah, I just appreciate all the comments and everyone trying to help out, and I don't know, I was just so shocked that this went so crazy. So I will definitely be doing these upgrades for not only you guys, but for me too. But a lot for you guys. And these are also going to be moved over to where they should be. But I'll show you guys what I got when it gets here. Okay guys, I'm just doing some preparations right now. So I'm going to take this off because, this is going to have to come off to do the new, gaming graphics card. I'm so excited to be able to play that Harry Potter game though. Oh, did I break that? No, it just opens like that. I thought that opened wider. I guess not. So these are off, and since we're changing the graphics card, I'm also going to just loosen this up because, is that right? Perfect. I know this is loose. I don't know. And then I'm gonna snap this out. That should just come out. Give me a minute, guys. I'm figuring stuff out. I thought this was supposed to come out. I think I just have to pull it up. Yep. Oh. Okay. So I pulled the old graphics card out. And this is basically garbage right now because it's so old that I don't need it. So, old graphics card is out. So, we're done with that. Just gotta put the new one in. I'm gonna move these. But I don't know if I just move them or if there's a specific way. I think I just have to move them, to be honest, so let's do that. Here's one. And only that at the end gets moved. Okay. So now we just slide this in gently. Sorry, I did pull that out a little rough. Now I just stick that in here. Hello? Is that gonna slide in? Or did I do it wrong? There we go. perfect. And now we're gonna take out this one. That is not perfect. That did not go in very well. Okay, now that's perfect. And now we're gonna pull this one out gently. And we're gonna just snap that in. And now those are switched, and I will show you guys the new parts that we're also putting. Okay guys, now it's the moment you've all been waiting for. First, I'm just gonna say we got a new hard drive, 1 terabyte to replace the old one. And it's a good one, this is a fast one. But what you've all been waiting for is the graphics card. So we got the RTX 4060, 4060, however you want to call it. Everyone was recommending this one, so we did our research, and this is a good one. So we went a little bit big because games are something I like, and if I'm gonna play games and show you guys, a good graphics card is needed. Plus I have some actual gaming monitors. This is the one I have. I'll give you guys a better look after, but it's important to have a good graphics card because I ran into an issue where I downloaded a game yesterday and I couldn't even play it because of the graphics card I have. So we're gonna unbox this. We got trusty Peanut that holds my stuff again. And we're just gonna, oh, maybe I can't show that to YouTube. Don't look at the knife. Just... Oh, I have to show it from this side, right? Oh, I think I just cut through the box. Oops. We're gonna try that again. Pretend I didn't cut through the box. Oh. Yay, I cut through the tape this time. Definitely not the box. So now I'm gonna open this up. Oh, I just ripped the box again. Okay. This is a box inside of a box, guys. No, I'm kidding. Let's see. Ooh, look at this beauty. It's very protected because this is a good one. And it's a heavy one too. I didn't realize it was this big. Let me find a little carpet to protect this because you guys like when we protect stuff and are not aggressive. But if we break it, it's my computer. So. Sorry, I'm making some room because it's a pretty big carpet. This is my bunny's carpets, but he hasn't used it in a while. So this is it. It's a lot heavier and bigger than I expected because I'll grab the small one. This is my old graphics card in comparison to the new one. So it definitely was a much needed upgrade. I'm gonna have to cut the tape off of this. Hide the knife from you guys. So, oh my gosh, this is massive. Being very gentle. What is this? It's part of it? Oh my gosh, this thing is massive. Here's a comparison with it out of the bag. I did not realize this one was so much bigger. Not as big as the one that was in the store in my last video, but it's definitely huge. Should I take this off? Yeah. There's so much little things. Where do I start peeling this one off? Oh, here? Here's some ASMR. Okay, that came off not as smoothly as I thought it would, but... Where do I start this peel? Anywhere? I don't know where to start this peel from. I think it doesn't matter. Okay. We're gonna... There's a lot of plastic on this. Okay. What are your thoughts on them calling you an MVP? Yeah. You guys called him an MVP, but that's because I filmed him doing stuff and he didn't film me doing stuff. I figured out most of the stuff. I did it. He helped and he knew stuff, but I did a lot of it too. You guys just didn't see that. So I gotta show you guys that I do this stuff too, not just him. But, oh, there's more plastic on this side too. There's gonna be a lot of editing. Maybe this will be a nice clean peel. Or is that not plastic? That looks like plastic. Yeah, remove protective plastic. There we go. Ready? That was a clean peel, guys. So, I think we got all the bits of plastic off now. This thing is actually huge. Like, I was really not prepared for it to be this big. Last comparison now. Come on, talk to me. Okay, we're gonna install it now, and I'll show you guys that. Okay, so now we're gonna just figure out if we're putting it under this one or this one. These are the heat plates, so we're figuring out if we're gonna put it under this one or this one. And we also, oh my gosh, it's kind of dirty. I didn't realize I had to take out two. My dad took out the second one because of how wide the graphics card is. Just hold it in there for a second. Look at this, guys. That is massive. Okay, here's some more to address. So as I said, it was old. This right here is my old motherboard. This thing is like dusty and crusty and musty, guys. But for the people asking how it was possible that I had 7 of memory, I had like 4, 1, and 2, basically. And that was it. I can take these out now, because I'm not going to use them. This one here is 2. This is 2 GB memory. This one's like so small. Oh my gosh. I can be aggressive. These are old. This is 1 GB memory, guys. And this last one came out easier. This one is 4 GB memory. 4, 1, and 2 is 7, and that's all I had. So yeah, that was much needed. Okay guys, so right now I'm taking off the heat shield to put in the new SSD, the new terabyte hard drive. I already downloaded all my games onto my 2 terabyte one, but it'll be nice to have this. And I think this should just come off. Maybe I need to loosen it a little bit more. This one's off. And loosen it gently with my fingers. We're looking at the instructions now. Okay, going in depth. So I need to put a second piece of one of these here because this was sitting too high up. And we're also going to put another spacer in closer to hold it in place through this little piece here. And that's what we're working on right now. Try it.
Yeah, now you gotta screw that in.
Tighten it. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Should I tighten it a lot or no?
No, just stuck there. That's good.
Perfect. And now I'm going to put the heat plate back on. But I have to peel this off first, right? Now I'm just tightening this one. And I think I'm actually doing a good job of this. I don't know how tight to make this. Oh, I think just tight enough. Perfect. Are we putting it in the right?
No.
Wait, maybe you have to take that off.
No.
You sure?
Does that fit this computer?
No, that looks, I feel like you have to pull that off.
Oh.
There was a protective piece, guys. We're like, this is for the wrong computer. It's like literally an Asus motherboard. Perfect. We did it.
Did the instructions? Were you supposed to put software drivers on before or anything, or you just jumped straight to it, hoping it's gonna work.
I jumped straight to it because I'm excited. But you know what? Have we had any problems that we caused so far? No.
No, but probably would have told us we should have took that cover off.
Yeah, probably. Okay, now I'm just tightening this to hold that in place. Ooh. Should I close this cover bit off?
Yeah, we're done in there.
Wait, how do I plug my stuff into it?
What do you mean?
Oh, you pull these out. Oh my gosh, it is fancy. Next, we're getting power to this when the lights inside are on, but it's dirty again. But look how cute it is. We fixed everything you guys wanted. But it says you need at least one installed, and we don't have one installed. What is this?
Seagate drive.
This is a Seagate drive that we plug in, so then it doesn't have to be installed, and that's our hack. Okay guys, I just did a test and my Hogwarts Legacy works now, so expect a long Harry Potter series where I'll read the books, watch the movies, then play the game. We also move everything over to a 1TB SSD card. So, we took these ones out because the other ones are better. So, we now have the one little one we put in here that's under there, and then in the future I'll buy a bigger one for that. But I also have a 2TB underneath. Also, the power supply unit is 550 volts. 550 volts? Watt?
Watts.
550 watts, guys. Basically, the power supply unit is 550 watts. So, I think I should be okay. And we were running it, and I opened a heavy game, and it didn't get hot in here because there's 3 fans. There are 2 here that cool this. This doesn't overheat. If it does, then I'll buy a new cooling unit. And then this also cools everything. So I think we should be okay. Guys, we got both the cases back on. And we're looking for the sticker, because we have this sticker, but we don't know where the other one is. And where is it? Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm really happy that I am able to do stuff like this, but now I don't really have much I can really upgrade on my computer because everything is basically brand new now. I really, really, really appreciate all that you guys did. Like, so many people watched that video and liked that video. So many comments helped me out. Thank you guys so much. Every single person who commented, liked, or watched the video, thank you guys so much for watching my last video and helping me. Really appreciate every single one of you who watched the video, and so many people subscribed as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I tried to make it a little bit better than my last one because my other one was more jokes, but this one is trying to be a little bit more serious. It is going to be difficult to do more computer videos like this because I have nothing else to do on my computer and I don't need to build a bunch of computers. If you guys really, really, really want to see that, I can figure something out. But if there's other things you guys would want to see, like specific games that I could play or things like that, I would definitely be willing to do that because I have a bunch of games I already play and I would love to do those for you guys if you want to see that. But please comment what you guys want to see because I am down to do almost anything. Like all my computer videos, I can play games. This is a little bit harder because I don't need to build another computer, but I'll read and do reading vlogs, I'll clean, I'll cook and like do cooking videos. I'll do anything that like I have as a hobby. I'll even do music for you guys if you guys are interested in that because I just have a bunch of hobbies that I would like to share with people. So just comment and I just want to see suggestions on what I can do because I don't know what else to do with computers that is kind of like what I just did. So if you guys have anything you want to see, please let me know. But thank you again so much for watching this video. And please, please, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment because I really like your comments. And turn on notifications because I'm posting it won't be every day because soon Christmas vlogs are ending, but I will be posting 2 to 3 times a week, I think. And the videos will be better quality because they're not every single day, but I really just wanted to be consistent and have that for myself, and I'm proud of myself for doing that. And I'm surprised at YouTube's algorithm and how much they're bringing people in because they used to not be as good with that. And I'm just so grateful for every single person who watches my videos and all my friends, family, and all you guys who support me because this wouldn't be possible without you guys, honestly. Like, without you guys, I probably wouldn't have gotten the good stuff that I did today. And I just really appreciate every single person. And with that, thank you so much. And go follow my Instagram and TikTok as well while you're at it because I post stuff on there and it might be fun. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye!